हेलो एवरीवन। सो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने पढ़ा था कि स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एंटीबॉडी क्या है और आज हम पढ़ेंगे कि व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज़। ठीक है, सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज टाइप्स ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज़। टुडेज टॉपिक इज टाइप्स ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज़। सो अगर हम ब्रीफली देखें तो हमारे पास 5 टाइप की एंटीबॉडीज़ होती हैं। कौन कौन सी होती हैं? G, A, M, D and E. So as we know, हम antibodies are also known as immunoglobulins. तो इसीलिए हम इसको IG से डिनोट करते हैं। सो जो एंटीबॉडीज़ हैं दे विल बी IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD एंड IgE। ये एक निमोनिक बन गया गामड़े, इन केस आपको डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है याद करने में। और यही जो है सीक्वेंस है किसका? डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज इन ब्लड। मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा जो है IgG प्रेजेंट होगी और सबसे कम जो है IgE प्रेजेंट होगी फॉलोइंग द सीक्वेंस। Now coming on to individual antibodies. First is IgG. So जैसे हमने देखा कि it is the most abundant antibody present inside a blood. So total 75 to 80% of concentration is of IgG antibody. ठीक है, molecular weight is 1,46,000 Dalton and it is the lightest antibody of all. ठीक है, तो ये lightest है and maximum amount में present होगी। अब इसका एक स्पेशल फीचर है what does this antibody do and where it is present। सबसे पहले it is present in blood और प्लाज्मा और वी कैन से इंटरस्टिशियल फ्लूइड। और ये करती क्या है? Before what does it do, we need to know a very important characteristic of IgG, that it can cross placenta. It is the only antibody out of all 5 which can cross the placenta. ठीक है, now if it cross the placenta मतलब it provides immunity to human embryo. Also it activates phagocytosis. ठीक है, so what are the key points? This is present in the maximum amount. It is the of lightest molecular weight. It can cross the placenta, which makes it providing the immunity to human embryo, and it also activates the phagocytosis. So this is the structure of IgG, like any other classical antibody, though heavy chains and though light chains. ठीक है, nothing special. Now coming on to the next antibody, which is antibody A, IgA. It is present of total 10% of total concentration in body. इसका molecular weight है 1,70,000 Dalton Now where is it present? In generally अगर हम बोलें तो IgA antibody will be present in all the secretions of the body, mainly in colostrum, saliva, tears, mucus, and whatsoever. IgA is present in all the secretions of the body. Present in secretions. जैसे कि colostrum, mucus, saliva, sweat, etc. Now, what is the function of IgA? Basically, so IgA provides the protection to the mucous membrane to any of the pathogen entering in our body. So it provide protection to mucous membrane from any pathogen. So key points: 10% of the concentration, it is present in the secretions. Remember the colostrum, and provide the protection to the mucous membrane. Now another important feature of IgA is that it is present in the dimer. As you can see in the diagram, there are two antibodies which are connected to each other. So the IgA has a dimeric structure. Which means it has 4 heavy chains and 4 light chains, or we can say it is H4L4. This is all about IgA. Now next we'll be talking about IgM. So first of all, as we can see in diagram, it is present in the pentameric form. Which means that the 5 chains of antibodies are connected to each other, forming a heavy molecule. This indicates that it is the heaviest of all the antibodies, with molecular weight of 9,60,000 Dalton. It is present in 5 to 10% concentration of total antibodies in our body. So another special point about IgM is that it is the first antibody to be produced in our body after any response, after any reaction, or after the birth. First antibody to be generated in response to antigen. Okay, then another is that it has a strong agglutination capacity. So what is agglutination? Basically antigen and antibody reaction is known as agglutination. So it has strong affinity to bind towards the antigen, which makes it strongly agglutinable. That was all about IgM. Now we'll be talking about IgD. So this is total 1 to 3% of the total antibody concentration in our body. Where is it present? It is present on the surface of lymphocytes. And its function is it causes activation of B lymphocytes. Along with the activation of B lymphocytes, it also causes maturation of immune reactions. Point to be remembered is that it is present on the surface of lymphocytes and cause the activation of B lymphocytes. This is the structure of IgD. Just like any other antibody, it is present as a monomer. So now coming on to the last antibody, which is IgE. So this is present in very trace amounts in our body of around 0.05% of total concentrations of all the antibodies. Now where are these IgE present? These are present on the surface of basophils and mast cells. Its molecular weight is 1,88,000 Dalton, and function of IgE is stimulation of mast cells. In response to allergic reaction or protection from parasites. So basically this antibody is present on the surface of basophils and mast cells, and this antibody is responsible for allergic reactions. So whenever there is entry of any allergen from outside, then IgE activates and it causes the stimulation of mast cells and which respond to the allergens. So it is least amount of antibody present inside the body. So coming on to its diagram. So here we can see the IgE is present in monomer, just like any other classical antibody. So this was all about the types of antibodies and functions of antibodies. Thank you so much for watching the video.